Just online-only grocery retailer, so we don't have any shops. We pick and pack our customers' orders in huge automated warehouses before shipping them to their kitchen tables in 1-hour slots. And we build all the technology that does that in-house. I think it's really difficult to learn to swim without getting your feet wet. There's still far too much talk about digital transformation rather than actually just doing it at scale. And my suggestion would be you need to find a cloud-first strategy that works for you, because clearly it's not a one-size-fits-all. So there are a number of reasons why we decided to move to the cloud. The first was that we wanted greater agility for our engineers. We wanted them to be able to experiment faster, we wanted them to be able to deploy into production faster, but also we wanted to have access to best-of-breed middleware and services, some of which you just simply cannot run on-premise. But then another need came up, which is when we embarked on building the Ocado Smart Platform, which is making our technology available to large bricks and mortar retailers around the world, we wanted that to be cloud first from day one. We didn't want to be building data centers around the world. We wanted to focus on the areas where we could truly add value, and that really just cemented our decision to move to the cloud. We chose AWS as a cloud provider not only because of the extraordinary range of services that it could offer us, but also because of the support that they were able to provide in helping our engineers get up to speed on those services. We collect a huge amount of data across our platform, and that allows us to train the machine learning that really infects almost every part of our platform, right from the e-commerce side where we want our customers to be able to shop with less friction and greater delight, forecasting all the orders that go for the 50,000 different items that we sell, controlling our warehouses in real time, routing our vans. There are so many applications of AI across our platform. So before moving to the cloud, our engineers would regularly complain about how long it took to provision new environments, new databases, and also they wanted to be able to run experiments before we even knew whether we would want the infrastructure to stand it up long term. And now we find that our engineers can go from conceiving of a basic service to having it deployed in production in under an hour. They also tell us that there have been at least 20 times over the project of building the Ocado Smart Platform where they've found that they really needed something in terms of a cloud service on the AWS platform, but before they'd even had to ask for it, it had appeared, which is fantastic. In terms of the services we use, I think there's probably about 28 of them at the moment that we use heavily. We use Amazon VPC to create the environments for each retailer on the Ocado Smart Platform. We use Elastic Beanstalk to orchestrate the EC2 instances. We use Elastic Load Balancer to maintain those services in HA across multiple availability zones. We use Elasticsearch for logs. We're starting to use services such as Lambda, which we're very excited about in terms of serverless compute. I think what's really exciting about Lambda is it solves a problem of what do you do with those services that you need intermittently or that you want to be event-driven. And rather than spinning up instances which are live all the time, just waiting for things to happen, this event-driven architecture makes much greater sense in terms of cost. As an online retailer, security is a topic we've always had to take very seriously. But the fact is that the external threat landscape is continuing to evolve, and we're never going to be able to spend as much money on security as a company such as AWS can. And therefore we want to buy into that goodness so that we can focus on those aspects of application security which are local to us. AWS has been a really great cloud partner for us, not only in terms of the range and quality of services that it has offered us, but also in terms of the support it has provided in helping us build the compute side of our Ocado Smart Platform.